So brothers and sisters, today in this video I'll let you know that how you can fix the problem of the YouTube monetization. Like a month ago or in last video, as you have seen, I applied for my YouTube AdSense account, but till now it has not been accepted. I have submitted it about 3 to 4 times, but still I am receiving an email in which the YouTube team is saying that you do not meet the criteria. Now I don't know which type of criteria, but I know the problem and I'll tell you how to fix it. So do watch the video till the end, and before starting, do subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. So here in the beginning, as I showed you, like I have already reapplied for it, and now again I got the rejection. So how to fix it? I'll click on fix the AdSense account, then I'll click no, I need to create one. And before clicking on it, you need to check that do you have another AdSense account with the same name, with the same address. You need to check these things. And if you have another account, try to first close that account and after that reapply for that your AdSense account. So here now I am again applying for the same thing like as I did in the last video, but this time I have closed my rest accounts. Like I was having 2 more accounts with the AdSense, which I have closed, and now I am trying it with a new email. And keep in mind that if your address is wrong, then they will not accept it. And now here, what was the problem in my application? You can see that instead of my full name, I added my channel name. That's why they reject my email. Here you can see now first I changed my name, and then I again looked up at my address that if there is a single letter problem, or like if the spelling is wrong, they'll reject your email or reject your application. So try to please check every single thing and then reapply for it, because you wait for around a week and in the end you just got rejected. And same as me, I have wasted a month, but I am again trying it. Maybe it get accepted. Now I am just rechecking it again and again, but with the proof I'll show it in the next video that how it got verified. And now here I completed again everything, and now I clicked on the submit, and they are now again reviewing it. So here I'll again wait for my YouTube channel to get monetized, and I'm just waiting it because I started applying it when I got 3,000 hours, and now I think I have reached the 4,000 milestone also. But I don't think why it is again and again rejecting. But now after some days you can see I got the email, welcome to the YouTube partner program. So my email just got accepted, and now I can earn the money from YouTube. But still there is a thing, like you just need to have $10 minimum to get paid, which I'll explain in the next video. So do subscribe.